Hey again. Nice to see you. I have been practicing and ready to kick your ass.
Yeah, okay. I will just rotty you again.
Hectares. I like to gangster rap cues. I ain't got a sack, but I am black bitches get slap. I'm gonna slash you against the wall, play tennis with your balls. You're sweating already like your mama's spaghetti you got jeeped.
Here we go. Another one. Iceberg. Gangster rap time to take you back to the days of old 6-foot Chevys. Big fat go out throw the west with the gangsters rolling south central Louisiana. My home we was out the feeling that if we couldn't connect to the New York streets.
Don't player hate on me. Player high at somebody else yo. Yo, I'm a gangster, where my dog's at. Bark with me if you're my dog, yo. I'm gonna give a shout out to all the player haters. I don't like player haters. If you're a player hater, don't player hate on me.
I need to go now.
You are a quitter.